In the realm of nutrition, the world of vegetables presents a delightful palette of flavors, textures, and colors that contribute to our overall well-being. Among these, the humble turnip stands tall, gracing our plates with its earthy charm and wholesome goodness. This ancient root vegetable, with its crisp white flesh and purple-tinged skin, has been a culinary staple for centuries, appreciated for its versatility and ease of cultivation. Turnips are rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. However, like most things in life, moderation is key. While consuming turnips in moderation offers an array of health benefits, overindulgence can lead to potential health risks. In this comprehensive healthy benefits of turnip exploration video, we will delve into the health benefits of turnips and explore the possible adverse effects of their excessive consumption. By the end, we hope to equip you with valuable insights to make informed choices about incorporating turnips into your diet. Health benefits of consuming turnips. Low-calorie option. For health-conscious individuals seeking to manage their weight, turnips serve as a low-calorie alternative to starchy vegetables. A 1-cup serving of raw turnip contains a mere 36 calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to create a calorie deficit in their diet. Its high water content contributes to satiety without adding excessive calories, making it a satisfying addition to any meal. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. Turnips boast an impressive nutrient profile, making them an excellent addition to any meal. They are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and calcium. Vitamin C plays a vital role in supporting the immune system, promoting healthy skin, and aiding in collagen production. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, while folate is crucial for cell division and growth, particularly during pregnancy. Potassium is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions, and calcium contributes to strong bones and teeth. Digestive health. Turnips are a valuable source of dietary fiber, which plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy digestion. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a diverse gut microbiome. Additionally, the fiber in turnips can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Antioxidant protection. The vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables often signify the presence of antioxidants, and turnips are no exception. They contain various antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, these antioxidants may lower the risk of chronic diseases and contribute to overall well-being. Heart health. A heart-healthy diet is essential for maintaining cardiovascular well-being, and turnips can play a role in supporting this endeavor. The potassium content in turnips helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Furthermore, the presence of folate in turnips can lower homocysteine levels, a compound associated with an increased risk of heart disease when elevated. Health risks of consuming too much turnip. Goitrogens and thyroid function. Turnips, like many cruciferous vegetables, contain substances called goitrogens that interfere with thyroid function. These compounds can inhibit the uptake of iodine by the thyroid gland, potentially leading to goiter or an enlargement of the thyroid. While cooking can partially deactivate goitrogens, consuming excessive amounts of raw or lightly cooked turnips may still pose a risk, particularly for individuals with pre-existing thyroid conditions. Oxalate content in kidney stones. Turnips are relatively high in oxalates, naturally occurring compounds found in certain foods. Oxalates can bind with calcium in the body, forming oxalate crystals that may lead to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Those with a history of kidney stones or individuals with calcium oxalate-related kidney disorders should exercise caution when consuming large quantities of turnips or opt for lower oxalate vegetables. Digestive discomfort. While the fiber content in turnips is beneficial for most people, it can lead to digestive discomfort in some individuals. Consuming excessive fiber without adequate hydration may cause bloating, gas, and abdominal cramps. Those with sensitive digestive systems or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, should be mindful of their turnip intake and ensure they drink plenty of water to support proper digestion. In conclusion, Turnips offer a treasure trove of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to any well-rounded diet. Their nutrient-rich profile, low calorie content, and contribution to digestive health highlight their positive impact on overall well-being. Turnips' antioxidant properties and support for heart health further enhance their reputation as a healthful vegetable choice. However, it is essential to remember that moderation is key when it comes to incorporating turnips into one's diet. Excessive consumption can lead to potential health risks, such as goitrogenic effects on thyroid function, kidney stone formation due to high oxalate content, and digestive discomfort from excess fiber. As with all foods, individual tolerance and health conditions should be considered when enjoying turnips. Consultation with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance on integrating turnips into a balanced diet, ensuring you reap their benefits while mitigating any potential risks. In essence, embrace the charm of turnips in your culinary adventures, relish their unique flavors, and savor the health benefits they offer, but always do so mindfully, with an awareness of your body's needs and limitations. By striking a harmonious balance, you can make turnips a delightful and